Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. B here, Dragaroo World, and today I'll be showing you Australian Native Bees episode 2. So first of all, I opened the top compartment of the Australian Native Beehive, and there was an observation panel that I can look through. As you can see, the Australian Native Bees are developing their nest, and this is directly after the split. So they are essentially building the nest back upwards so they can start making honey. You can see that they have very interesting and intricate structures. And in the middle is the brood, which are the egg cells, and they are working very hard there. Here are some photos of the bees doing their work in the hive. We now move on to Hive 2, and I'll show you the inside of that. Enjoy! As you can see, Hive 2 is more covered with the brown building material, and you can see less eggs, and this is because it is being covered by the building material for insulation purposes. So you can see the difference from Hive 1 and Hive 2, whereas this is more developed.